As I had auto update click in past, so last night my kilocode version updated to version 7, and at morning I did not like version 7. It was confusing for me, so I want to go back to version 5, a previous UI version. So I do research and find out that we can go to version 5 by on installing this version, or you can go setting icons and download a specific version. By clicking it, it will show a pop-up where you need to select latest version, which is not pre-release. I select this version. As you can see, after you select it, it will download that version. As I have already downloaded that, so I will not download it again. After that, you can uninstall the kilocode. I suggest you to uninstall this kilocode, and again click here and install from via VSIX. Then click version 5. Then you will get a version 5 with the old UI. As you can see right now in my code base. Thank you.